Birds on the tree right there. Pretty neat. What's up, YouTube? It's all swimming fly. It's tree birds. Some little birds on a tree. Oh, he's flying. Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh, he's flying. Oh, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're flying. They're flying. They're making calls. They're trying to signal to the other tree. We got some little birds up in there. What do you think? Lots of birds. There's like a big old bird nest over there too. It is pretty cold out here. Yeah. And there's lots of birds out here and stuff. See, in all these trees, lots of birds, stuff like that. Things of that nature. Dogs barking, trying to scare the birds off. You know how it is with them dogs. You know how it is. So tell me what you guys think. Come on, Sky Hall Center Fly. Thanks.